Okay, so today we're looking at the Fibonacci sequence. This is a popular mathematical sequence. And how do you determine what the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence? So the Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number of the sequence is the sum of the two numbers that precede it. So the sequence goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. The mathematical equation describing it is x of n plus 2 equals x of n plus 1 plus x of n. So the way it would be written was so x of 7, right, equals x of 6 plus x of 5. So if you were to write out the first 15 numbers in the sequence, it starts 0, 1, then 0 and 1 added together gives you 1, and 1 and 1 added together gives you 2, 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 3, 5, 5 and 3, 8, 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 8, 21, 21 and 13 gives you 34, 34 and 21 added together give you 55, 55 and 34 give you 89, 89 and 55 give you 144, then 144 plus 89 gives you 233. And the last one, I think, is because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so one more. It'll be 233 added to 144 would give you 377. Okay, so there's the first 15 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. As I said, you're going to take these two added together, give you that. These two added together, give you that. So forth. Okay, so you're going to be adding your numbers together. What is this 27th number in the sequence? If the 24th number, so this is the x of 24, and the 25th number, x of 25, is that? Well, I'm looking for the 27th number. So first I have to do x of 26, right? And I have x of 24 plus x of 25, which is the same as 28, 657 plus 46, 368. So x of 26 would equal 75,025. But that's not what it's asking, right? I need the 27th number. So to get x of 27, I'm going to have to add x of 25 plus x of 26, which would be 46,368 plus 75,025, which gives me the total of 121,393 would be my answer for x of 27. Okay? So that's all well and good if I give you the numbers in the sequence, but what happens when you're asked about a number you're not given the sequence? Okay? So in the golden ratio, the symbol of the Greek letter phi, shown on the left, is right here. So that's how the golden ratio is annotated. Okay? It's a special number, approximately 1.618. If you remember, we've been talking about 1 to 1.6. If you actually expand it out, it's 1 to 1.618 is the number. It appears many times in geometry, art, architecture, and other areas. We've already looked at where it comes up in art and architecture, and even in nature, right? Okay, so the golden ratio can even be used to calculate the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. So, in the golden ratio, you could use it, x of n would equal the golden ratio of 1.618 to the nth power, so whatever this is, minus 1 minus the golden ratio to the nth power, all divided by the square root of 5. So let's look at this on our calculator. Okay, so using the formula, what's the 31st number? Well, I could just do the whole sequence, 31 numbers, right? But that would take a lot of time. What if I got asked like the 131st number, right? I don't want to do all that. So I would rather use the equation. So I have x of 31 equals phi, or this golden ratio of 30, or to the 31st power, minus 1 minus the golden ratio to the 31st power, all divided by the square root of 5. Okay, so then my next step is going to be actually replace all these phi symbols with this 1.618. So I have x of 31 equals 1.618 to the 31st power minus 1 minus 1.618 to the 31st power, all of which is going to be divided by the square root of 5. So if I plug that into my calculator, I'm just going to do this upper portion. So I'm going to do 1.618, and I'm going to use this symbol for my exponent. Okay, 31, and then I'm going to arrow out. Okay, minus, I'm going to do 1 minus 1.618. Close my parenthesis, and again go to the exponent button and type in 31. Okay, so now that's going to give me my upper number. So I have now x of 31 equals 3008389.302. Okay, divided by the square root of 5. So on my calculator, I'm just going to go ahead and hit divide by. I'm going to type in second and click on this button right here, which gives me the square root of 5, and then enter. Okay, so now it gives me 13459.2.596. Okay. But something you'll notice is when we looked at our sequence, did we ever have a decimal? We didn't. So I need to always make sure to round to a whole number. So I'm going to round this. And my last digit is here, this 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so it's going to bump this one up. So I got 1, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I put the comma in the wrong spot. 5, 3, 9, 3, because my 2 is now going to become a 3. So I have, let's write that clearer, x of 31 equals 1,345,393. Okay? So you have an assignment in Canvas practicing using this formula and practicing finding it manually. Let me know if you have any questions. Y'all have a great day.